So hello everyone, my name is Sang Dao.
I'm Ngọc.
My name is Irish Mamura.
I'm Robin Matthew.
And today we would like to present to you guys RETROLearn.
So for our ideas, initially most of our ideas were to create games or certain entertainment platform that incorporate the retro theme into it, but we felt that wasn't enough. We wanted to create something that's not only simple and practical, but it also brings a delightful experience for our users, no matter who they are. Also, as we are college students, we are usually busy with school and work. So time management is the most important part of our college life. Therefore, we wanted to make something that would support them and make their day more productive.
With the user's best interest in mind, we initially went for the approach of developing a simple game of tic-tac-toe or a map of given places for users to explore. We wanted to optimize the appearance of the project so that the user's experience is optimized. On the other hand, it simply was not enough for us. We wanted something more. We wanted to influence our users in a positive way, not just in their personal lives, but also their professional lives. The main problem is that we encounter were lack of experience and technical skills. We particularly didn't have strong coding backgrounds, and as a matter of fact, this was the first ever Hacklahoma for both of us, for most of us.
So let me walk you guys through what RETROLearn is and what makes us stand out. RETROLearn is an easy-to-use time management tool that was built to be a Chrome extensions, and we have user-friendly platform with a modern retro feel, but not by any means too overkill for our users. From a developer perspective, RetroLearn has had enormous scalability. We can personalize user experience by uh, creating database for user to log in with their own account. We are looking to incorporate machine learning models as well as web scraping APIs to even further improve on the suggestions made by our chatbot. And of course, the more you use the web app, the better your experience will be. Part of the reason why we are so proud of our product, despite a wide variety of flaws, is the fact that most of us do not have strong backgrounds like Robin already mentioned earlier, mostly in web development as well as application development. And even for two of us, we actually have next to no coding experience. So this through RetroLearn was a great opportunities for us to learn and to experience more.
The amazing
So hi, it's Dan again. And now let's take a look at our demo. So first, like we mentioned earlier, we actually developed um, code extensions for the retro learn, right? And we actually call it retro clock 1.0. It's a retro futuristic clock for your Chrome browser, and I've already installed it in right here. And as you guys can see, when we click on it, we'll get box, a box which we can put in the minutes that we're looking forward to study. So let's say I want to study 1.5 minutes, right? And we're going to start the countdown. We'll start counting down 1.5 minutes. That's for our Chrome extensions. Now let's take a look at the actual web app that we dedicated most of our time to. So here's the RetroLearn web app, and as you can see, um, mm, we are like we are inspired by the feel of the old retro clock, and therefore in the middle of our screen you can see the hour symbol. On the left here you can see there are some different tabs for login and sign up. So we actually have not been able to develop as well with our login sign up system. So there's nothing here for now. And we also have another timer and a virtual. So for the timer, um, uh, just one very interesting thing for our timer, right? So let's say you're counting down from 5, and after the countdown ends, there will be there will actually be a random retro song being pop up on the right side of the screen. So for the time being, we have not been able to fully incorporate the backend development for this system, but it is something that can we find it absolutely doable. We also have the RETROLearn chatbot right here, so we can type in the message and yeah, down the cannot
Yeah, yeah, because it's in a
yeah. So for our chat box, um, we have we actually have only been able to develop the let's say my name is Zhang, for instance, and we actually have already been able to develop the front end for the chatbot, but there had for the time pressure being once again we have not been able to connect the backend and the front end for the chatbot. I'll actually do a separate demo for the backend to show like how far we have come to here.
cover of Flask in Python, mostly considering how all of us have zero coding experience regarding web development, how important teamwork and communication is. Because of effective communications, we avoided so much trouble as of going down the rabbit hole. It is okay to not know how to do things. It's also okay to ask for help, and it's even better to know your limits and when to stop.
So what's next? As Robin mentioned earlier, RetroLearn will soon develop a feature of incorporating personal accounts in which users can freely authenticate their experience. We are also looking forward to further enhancing the apps with the help of machine learning. By collecting and analyzing data from our users, we can better tailor our resources. So the more users, the better it will become. A wider variety of content for suggestion once we get access to more data with each once again with permission from our users. Different variety of study techniques, not just the infamous Pomodoro technique, but also the methods to combat the forgetting curve, for instance. It is very hard to talk about everything that we look forward to in the future of RetroLearn because should be an app for everyone, and so the limit of how far RetroLearn can go depends on everybody's imagination. So this is also the end of our presentation. So thank you for listening.
Thank you.
Thank you.